Let's talk some art history. From 40,000 to 4000 BC, we had prehistoric art. These are like petroglyphs. From 3000 BC to 400 AD, we had ancient art. Then from 500 AD to 1400 AD, we had medieval art. The Renaissance was a very important part of art history. From 1400 to 1600 AD. Post-Renaissance, we moved into Manierism, Baroque, Rococo, Neoclassic, Romanticism, and Realism. Let's look at modern art. The most important movements of modern art are Impressionism, Fauvism, Cubism, this is stuff like Picasso, Futurism, Expressionism, Dada, Surrealism. Surrealist art is really crazy. People painting from their imagination. Abstract Expressionism, this is like Rothko and Pollock. And pop art, this is like commercial art. Now we're currently sitting in the postmodern era.